Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today we're going to do some drunken chickens, or canned chickens. Bring you in, I'm going to show you how I do it and how we get it started and go from there. I'll even show you how to cut the can the way I do it. So, alright, I'll take an empty can and an empty chicken. Okay, you got to come in at a little bit of an angle on these, but just make sure you just get it. Chicken, you just want to take all the stuff out of it. You know, whatever your chicken provider decided to put into it. Every one of them seems to be a little different lately. Alright, there you go. Now you have one chicken. You got one can. We have these little handy can holders. You don't have to have them. You can just do it with just the cans. Okay, so take a little bit of green pepper. We're going to do we're doing 3 chickens today. I'm going to show you one up front. A little red pepper, a little orange pepper, some onion, a couple jalapenos. It does not spice it up. It's just flavoring, folks. And then your beer. Take your beer that you poured out of this can. You can't drink it, okay? You have to have some beer. You can't drink it yet, put it that way. All right, simple. Beer can's done. Take a chicken. Insert one said beer can into chicken. We've never used these beer cans before, so we're not sure on sizing. We usually use the smalls. It's at the top. So, there you go. Now, if you'll grab me, I'll grab it. Take the glove off.
You gonna do the slap?
How are we gonna do that? Cajun 2-step. Okay? You know, that good stuff, it's that all-purpose seasoning. Is good. Whole lot better than that Tony Crapperese. We're gonna put some on this chicken. Put some in your hand, rub its belly or its back. Don't get frisky, okay? It's just a chicken. Don't get frisky with the chicken. All right, now your chicken's ready. Now you got to get your pit ready. We got our pit set at 225 degrees right this minute, and going to get this chicken out there and get it put on. Okay. Now, when you're done, if you're done with all 3 of your chickens, or all 20 of your chickens, or just the one, you're going to have some leftovers. Hey. It's Pitmaster bonuses. Enjoy it. So, we'll see you back at the pit. Okay, we're not back at the pit just yet. One thing we forgot that you need to put into it is a nice healthy tablespoon of minced garlic. Put that in your can. And we've already pulled the other ones and adding those to it. So, almost forgot. So be sure you add your garlic. You're going to like it. Easy. Open your pit up. Do not put these on the hottest side of your pit. If you want them to slow cook. You always got that one that just wants to, you know, I can't make it. He's drunk. Drunk already, just got in. All right. There we are. We got them on, and we'll see you back here in a couple hours. All right, guys, several hours later. Yeah, it's been three and a half hours, something like that. Bring it in. Let's grab one of them. All right. Grab it from the top. Be prepared for the can to stay, because they always do. Try not to spill anything. Oh, I got my thumb in part of it. All right. Super hot. But sure looks darn good. And if you can't tell, super juicy. That's what the cans do for you. They help keep it juicy. Now, if you see the pink here, this is from being smoked. The Pit Boss does smoke meat. So especially your wings and your legs, they get some good pinkness to them. Trust me, the wings and legs were 190 degrees. Get a knife that may actually help me cut through that without tearing the skin all to pieces. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. I tell you, look at that right there. Look how moist it is. I'm not having to squeeze it. I'm not having to do anything. I mean, it's running off my knife. Okay. You're tired of having dry chicken. Take the time, set it up. Cook it right. Not hard to do. I showed you how to do it. It's not hard. Super moist. Very good. You can taste some of the seasonings. Of course, you know we did not add salt or pepper or anything else to it. Usually when I put it on my plate, I'll add my extra seasonings. But yeah, super good. Highly recommend it. Easy to do. Come back and see us next time. And hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you back soon.